Hey, Colorado Renegade here. It is a nice warm day here in April, our first little warm flash, so I figured we'd hurry up here and get this exhaust installed. All right, today we're installing the Rough Country dual catback exhaust with black tips. What I should have done is I should have set up a time lapse on here. This install was like 20 minutes, and so I was gonna originally take a video underneath like I had done with the lift kit, and we got it done so fast I had completely forgotten, and by then it was time to take a listen. All right, so today you're gonna get a twofer. We're gonna do the exhaust and we're gonna do the roof rack that goes on the topper for the tent. All right, let's hear how this thing sounds. All right, step one, assembling the roof rack is lay all the parts out. If you got a nice little tiny truck that your son's using, it becomes a great place to put it on a tonneau cover. So I just laid out the bars, holes facing up, start on the third one, and then it's every other one all the way down. I just did one side and hand tightened them. I'm gonna come and do this side, hand tighten them, and then we'll put the front and back on, and then we'll tighten everything down. We're just going to tighten these down now that we got them all in there and all hand tight. It looks like it's fitting good. You might notice that I'm not filming this one. This is my son filming, so you'll see him trying to play with different techniques. He's in a theater class at school and trying to use some of the things he's learning about production to help me out. So hopefully this helps increase the quality of the content that we're putting out on the channel. All right, step one, lay our two beams out. Step two is put them on one side, hand tighten them. Step three, get them all in there on both sides. All right, then we put our ends on in step four, both sides, and then we tighten the whole thing down real good. Step five is to mount these brackets on using these screws. Inside the center of the beam, there should be a hole. We put these in, slide them down so we can do them up. Step six, mount the screws into the bottom of the bracket, and now we're ready to install on the topper. Step seven, you pull the caps off of the back using a little screw, slide the roof rack on, and tighten it down from the inside. In the last video, you see me screwing it on. I did it backwards. Make sure you have these facing out, or you may not be able to do them up. All right, so what you're supposed to do is take this and slide it in, and we ran into a problem where one of the heads of the hex thing is sticking up too high on the track and not allowing that to go in very well. So we're trying to get it tightened down or undone, one of the two. All right, well, she's on the truck. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We're going to be doing some overlanding next. Now that we have finally got the roof rack on, we are ready for the tent. So in the next video, you're going to see the tent on this, and here is a sneak peek.